Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to fit this image as a full page image in Microsoft Word, and we are going to perform this task in simple 2 steps. Let's start the video. Select your image, right click, size and position. From the size tab, scale option, select your height to 100% and width to 100%. From the text wrapping, select behind the text, and from the position tab, horizontal alignment, center relative to page, vertical alignment, center relative to page. Press OK. You have this image as a full page image. Now you can write anything inside this image, but we get this image only on first page. What if we want to get this image on all pages? Simple. Select your image, cut it, double click on the header portion, paste your image, set your image, and you get this image on all the pages. You can use this technique to set your company letterhead on your official documents. If you like this tutorial, share it with your friends. Let us know your feedback and suggestion for future videos in the comments. See you in the next video.